Okay, welcome to my channel, Active Adults Fitness. Today we're doing a 2-minute video, a leg strengthening exercise for seniors. It's his first in a series of my mini workouts. So I've started, I'm doing 50 squats, should take less than 2 minutes, there's 10 gone. I'm trying to get good form, shoving my hips right the way back, driving my knees wide and looking straight ahead. So if you want to see more on the squats and the basics of the squats, you can. There's a video appearing on screen now. Just click on there. Obviously, you can start from the start of this video and follow along with me. Like I say, it's 50 squats. Keep your form. Also on screen is a book there on that table. It's also appearing on the screen. It's my new book, designed for self-care for people over 50. It covers stress, sleep, social interaction, strength, gut health, and a whole lot more. Getting towards the end of this little mini workout. As I said, I'm doing a series of these, so stay tuned. If you like them, give them a thumbs up and even comment. See what you think. And by the end of this little workout now, I'm going to be hot, breathing hard. I like the idea of always something rather than all or nothing. See you next time. Bye.